What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Real Talk with Riri, and I am here with another Perky's Paperie sub kit unboxing. Listen, last month, y'all sold that thing out over at Perky's Paperie because that pair kit was here, and y'all did it. As normal, you can use code Riri20 to save some money. You can follow me over on Instagram at Real Talk with Riri, or you can tune in on Sundays. I'll be plugging in all the videos. Anyway, this is my PR freebie. You don't have to just use my, like, even if you use my code, you can ask for another freebie or something. Especially like if you're not into coffee or books and reading and chilling and, you know, black girl dolls and all that stuff. So even if you don't use my code, just go shop at Perky's Paperie and just, you know, let her know I sent you, even if you use another code, because you don't want that freebie. Okay, so anyway, these are the shop freebies. I really love how compact they are, but they are still like useful. Give me all the coffee. I use one of these probably every Monday. But did you die? I love that. I'm just what the effing my way out. You got a kettlebell workout, you got tissue, and currently reading. This is really cute and useful, right? Oh, and then you have some cute little Christmas lights. I love that the, you know, freebies change. So of course I made a tiny order, tiny order. And I'm really trying to plan for next year and my planners. So this one is just like a big sticker, and it is washi. That just says, "Dear self, you are amazing." I really would like to open up one of my TNs with that. This one is "We're All Mad Here." It says 10/6. I'm not sure if that is referencing anything, but I'm gonna use this for February for Galentine's with the plan, because this is like the theme. So I've been collecting pieces for that. And then we have a honeybee journaling kit. Y'all know I stay up for these, and I've been really using them and trying to transition, like I said, to my TN and really figure out how to work it. She's so pretty. Look at this shelf. I always use those. I love the honeybees. And then I've never really used coffee stains much, but I really want to try it. And inking, and I just want to have some fun, right? I just want to have some fun, no parameters, just use shit. And so if y'all see that I'm decorating 42 planners and not using half of them, just mind your business. It's all just mind your business. Now we get to the juicy part. This is the Perky's Paperie sub unboxing. I want to say this is for December. Y'all know I always mess up and be forgetting which one is which. So, I want to hear it. There is also, she's having a Black Friday sale, and it starts right after Thanksgiving, I believe, and it's going to be nice. So she explained why she thought about this and for this kit, because it makes reference to Hamlet and Ophelia, and then I think Taylor Swift came out with like some song or something that's about Ophelia. But whatever the case may be, I am an English major, or was an English major. I absolutely love many of the classics, or many of the ways that the classics can be interpreted, and so I was really excited to see the fate of Ophelia, and it looks like it's going to have that vibe. Okay, so the fate of Ophelia. Once her days were filled with letters and laughs, tender words inked upon soft parchment. The scent of pressed flowers lingering between the pages of her beloved books. But as shadows grew long and reasons waned, her words blurred and her heart grew heavy. What began in love ended in silence. Her story now scattered like petals upon the water. How elegant. I love it. And you can use this as a journaling card. You can just put this in there if you know, however you choose to. But I love that. I love the creativity between like each of the like explanations and whatever. I love this little bag too. It's going to be a useful pocket. Okay, so this is some ephemera. It's like a little dictionary page. Oh, when I was younger, when we would get in trouble in private school, they would make us write the fucking dictionary, bro. icings and frostings. This is like a recipe book, but you can tear it, use it as ephemera. All right, and so yes, I was correct. It is the December kit. This is like a not vinyl, like a die cut. I want to say it's not a die cut sticker, but I think it's just a regular die cut. This is always user error, and oh no, it is a sticker, and it's not quite vinyl, but it's really good. Like, it's not that thick vinyl, but it's really good. All right, so here we have Ophelia. Look at the greens. Ugh. God, I love it. And you got some ink. You have letter. And I've been in my fountain pen bag, too. And then there's a 3. I forgot what it signifies in the play, but I always think about the power of 3 because me and my 2 sisters, and that is the way I used to reference us when I was younger. So that really means a lot to me also. So you have books, old timey, it looks like vintage. Then we have like pictures. We have her like chilling in the rose bushes. Baby, they used to be high as Cooter Brown back then. Baby, she had some of that milk of the poppy and she is fucked up, okay? We know what we are, but not what we may be. And ain't that the truth? We know what we are, but we limit what we can be because we don't know what we may be. Like, we don't even want to think about it. It's scary. And so these are just some frames, the deco pieces. I really love that she came back with this really cute font this time. This is cute. She gave us the days of the week again, numbers, and some to-dos. I really like that. So this is your kit. Listen, I'm just going to tell you one time. This is the best deal for a washi paper sub that you will ever find. It is like 5 sheets of washi paper stickers for 20 bucks. Maybe like 20 bucks. You can't use my code, but you don't fucking need, excuse my language. I'm sorry. I just be cussing y'all. But you don't need to because it's a really, really good thing. So you have 2 pieces of ephemera and the bag. I don't know. If you crafty like I'm crafty, you know you can use this bag also. And then you have this. And then this was my other order. Just a few sheets, but Brandy is so generous to her PR team and she treats us so well that I'm going to definitely, you know, hyper up your shop. So anyway, be sure to check out perkyspaperie.com. There are going to be so many deals and stuff for Black Friday. Check my stories, check my Instagram so you can see, or head over to the website perkyspaperie.com and use Riri20 to let her know that I came. And if you don't want my freebie, you can use somebody else's code. We have Ray20, we have Tanisha20, we have Tiffany20, all of the things. But yeah, just go check out Brandy. She's really cool. So anyway, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.